What's up everyone, it's Ufan from TechCycle. As CES 2018 is finally over, I'm going to choose about 7 best CES 2018 tech. As I have not went to CES 2018, I am picking up this tech from LinusTechTips media, and he got about 36 videos on his CES 2018 playlist. So I'm choosing 7 of the best tech I liked and which made my mind blown. So about this video does not contain any of the CES 28 content from me. It is all from LinusTechTips, and I will leave all the link in the description and the playlist of that too. So first thing is RGB Monitor. So what this thing is like, it made my mind kaboom. It was like that. It was very much interesting and it looked very good too. So what this is, it's a fan which got a 4 blade, and in each blade it got about 200 micro LEDs, and it can show pictures. It can, after rotating the fan, it's going to be like a display, and it can support up to 4K resolution and can show 3D. It's not a pure 3D, as Linus said, it's a pseudo 3D, so it's going to be partially 3D, but it's very good, great. And even in the LinusTechTips video, it is very good, so it's going to be interesting in real time. And about the second one, it is from Razer, and it is the Razer Project Linda. So most of you guys already know about this. So it's typically a laptop with which will work when you put your Razer phone in the place of mousepad, and this Razer phones and operating system, RAM and everything will be used by this laptop. And also this laptop got its own battery to work the big screen and all sort of things, and I will leave the most interesting thing about that in the description. You can find from LinusTechTips video, because I don't have the experience of using it, so it will be great from hearing from him. So I will leave the link in the description. And about the third one, it is from Vivo or Synaptics, because it's shown in the Synaptics booth. It is the Underdisplay fingerprint. So Apple and Samsung couldn't make the innovation like that, so it is from Vivo. A Chinese company made the innovation, as they already shown this tech in some of the event which have been held, which I don't remember. So they have already shown that, but in this CES 2018 they have given a hint that it's going to be released sooner, so we can use Underdisplay fingerprint in near future. The next thing is Precap, and the first thing I noticed about that is Linus got a vacuum cleaner like that. So it's not the vacuum cleaner, it's a multimedia robot, as it can be controlled by using Google Home or Amazon Alexa, and it can be used to stream Amazon videos or Netflix, as it got an inbuilt projector from that. You can find all details in the description. And next one is Intel Air Scanner Nook. It's a powerful PC in a small box. It's like box is like this, very small box, and it got a Core i7 8th gen processor, and there is no RAM or storage, no operating system, as it's a Nook. You need to add your own sort of RAM and storage. It got a graphics card which is very good, and it's got a lot of input device, that is input port. It got a lot of port for input, and it got a lot of HDMI out too. So you can find the details in the description. The next one is the remote starter kit from Superstrong. It's typically a small chip in the motherboard, this big thing. It is going to fit in your motherboard, and you will get a remote. On the press of the button, the remote, you can turn on your personal computer and turn off the computer, reboot the device, and it's going to show the LED screen and a lot of things. I don't know more about that. You can find the thing in the description. It made me think a best thing in the CES 2018. The next one is Val Card from Visa. It's typically a ATM card with intelligent support. It's like that. You got storage capability about 100 credit card, that is you can store 100 credit card in that single wallet card, and you can switch between them using the button, that is left and right, and you got a e-paper display to display the details of that card. So it's going to be very great, as you can use a single card to access all your credit card. And these are some of the tech that impressed me in CES 2018, and I have not touched the part of laptops and personal computers because it's innovating, so it's not that great, as these are the things that made my mind kaboom. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you think this video sucks, hit the dislike button. And if you are searching for other videos like this or anything else, just comment down below, or you can do that on Twitter, Facebook or Google+. Link will be in the description, and don't forget to subscribe.